Hey, good morning, guys. I am not grandma, so I'm in Jamaica. I'm opening my grandmother's door, and here like 3 little kittens. Gav, one missing. One missing. Oh, inside there. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. What's your name? Good morning. I don't have no food. It's too early. Can I at least wash my face or something? Hey, man. What's up, little one? What's up? Good morning, guys. Meow. 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 Morning. Morning. See the next one inside here? Hmm? Where next post? No, the one at the moment. No, I tried to miss it. One if one stayed at the house last night. You see the one this morning? Okay. Oh, okay. I want to be a baby. Okay. I want to see the baby cats later on. See, yo, these cats, they eat all kind of food, man. They don't play, yo. They get down. Morning. Oh shit! We got to turn off a light here. Ah. Look at you. Hmm? Is there some light switch in here? The 3, yeah. Turn off the first one, please. Push it down. Hey, you gotta step back down. You gotta step back down. You sweep past me and get in. You still gotta get in. Yeah. I don't know which one. Yeah, thank you, babe. It's good. Yeah. So this is the water drum right there. It's another big water drum. Okay, so other cat is the mama cat. Okay. So folks, there's some baby cats here. We're gonna get a photo of them later on, a video of them later on. See what's going on. Hey, little one. Come over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm not me. She actually just peeked in Jimmy's room. Yeah. They're looking for my grandmother. She's not here, guys. Come on, yo. Come on. Hey. She gave them name, Gav? You think she give them name? Come on. Leave Nikki alone. Let her get dressed. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Come get your food. They got your food right here. It's cat food right here. These cat eat anything. Beautiful Jamaican morning. We'll do some more touring this morning. Yeah. See that? Look at that, man. Look at that view. Beautiful. Jesus Christ. This is John. Real dapper. Right. You hear that? That's the latest Bacchus stopper.
Yeah, they got them flopper, they got them loving like a hopper.
Morning, sir. You don't got no bullshit.
Yeah, I got to work now.
You going to work now?
Yeah, everything okay?
Yeah, everything okay so far, man. I just get up right now and get myself together.
Yeah.
Let me get it together, all right? You want to say something to Stacy this morning?
Yeah.
What you want to say?
Big up Stacy. I'm the girl them sugar. And never fresh, never always sweet.
That's John the Baptist. Yeah. Look, I'm only going to see John a whole lot. You hear? All right, let me get this out of your way, little one. All right. So, folks, I'm going to finish up this video and do another one later on, all right? Just get your cats in one more time. Get out the house. Come on. Come on, little one. Come on. Come on. Come. See, going further in the house. And my grandmother, well, she loved them in the house anyway. This one right here in this bag. Hey, get out of the bag. Get out of the bag. Hey. Get out of the bag. Oh, okay. Feed to finish?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get the next bag today. Let me get 2 bags today. Let me see what the kind of feeding they eat. What's the name of the bag? Damn.
Come on, open it.
Inside of it? Oh. This right here. Grain-free, natural cat food. Chicken chickpea recipe. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna get them some food today. Hey man, come on, look at these guys. Oh, here's the other one. So this is the mama one, Gav. Okay, she look kind of bigger, yes.
Yeah, good morning, Nikki.
So look, baby, she's the same size as Bala. This is the mama right here.
Bala can have babies right now.
I know, but I was telling you that they all can have babies.
No.
Except the little one right there.
6 months.
I know, but they all were 6 months. Except for that one. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get you guys some feeding today, okay? Look at them. And then Dibs too. Dibs too don't mix with these two, Gov.
Yeah, Dibs couldn't wear too.
Okay, because I know she got a male cat, right? She have a male and a female cat, right? Yeah, yes, she have a male and a female cat. No, the reason why I said that, you know, for mating purposes, you know.
They will come and all when Dibs couldn't hear, they come, you know, but like when Dibs couldn't hear, and give Dibs to them.
So Dibs let them out at night time or they sleep inside?
They sleep outside, man.
Because I tell you, in Jamaica, cats sleep outside. We don't have no damn cats sleep in the house. We don't play that.
Ain't go find him bed.
Then find a little spot. I know, keep warm. Yeah, man. All right, little ones. I'm going to get you guys some food. I'll see you guys later, okay? Hello. Look at you. Meow. Meow. I'm going to video the baby cats later on, all right? So right now we're in beautiful JA. So, finish up this video, guys. See you guys later on. All right, bye.